Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect TikTok to Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. Connecting TikTok with Shopify allows you to bring your products directly to TikTok, manage your store more efficiently, and reach customers through one of the most popular social media platforms. This integration can help you showcase products, run ads, and create a smoother shopping experience for your audience. You can grab the link to this tool in the description below if you want to follow along. So with that, let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, look at the left sidebar menu and click on Apps. The Apps section allows you to add extra features and sales channels to your Shopify store. These integrations can help you expand your marketing and connect your store with different platforms. In the search bar, type TikTok and select the official TikTok app from the results. Make sure you choose the official TikTok app to ensure you are connecting your store with the correct Shopify-supported integration. Click the Install button to add the sales channel to your store. Once the app is added, click on the Set Up Now button on the TikTok Shop card. You will be prompted to connect your TikTok business account. Enter your credentials and log in. If you do not already have a TikTok business account, you may need to create one before completing the connection process. A business account provides access to features like advertising tools, analytics, and product promotion options. Next, under the TikTok Business Center account section, click Connect. Under the TikTok Ads Manager section, choose to create an account. Fill in your title and update your phone number as necessary. Your TikTok Ads Manager account is important if you plan to promote your products through paid campaigns. It allows you to create targeted ads and measure how your campaigns perform. When you reach the data sharing section, choose whichever level selection is necessary for your store setup. Different data sharing levels provide different amounts of information between Shopify and TikTok. Choose the option that best fits your business needs while keeping your store information accurate. Review the data sharing permissions and click Confirm to allow the two platforms to sync. This syncing process allows Shopify and TikTok to communicate properly, helping you manage products, customer activity, and marketing features more effectively. Next, locate the company information section and click Setup to input your business details. Make sure your business information is accurate because these details may be used for account verification and customer-facing information. Once done, click the Finish Setup button. After completing the setup, it is a good idea to check your TikTok sales channel inside Shopify and confirm that your products and account settings are connected correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect TikTok to Shopify. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides.